Hey guys, we're here at Grays Harbor ORV and we are just about wrapping up the 5th year of the RV summer camp. You know, everything was awesome. Actually, this year was maybe one of the smoothest years, and you know, after a few years you figure it out, you change the things that don't work and you implement some new things. Had to become the dozer operator, which is fun. So this year I changed it up a little bit. I actually threw gear on, and instead of just having everybody, including myself, telling these kids what they should do, is having me demonstrate and go out there and ride with different people. We can stand up here and we can tell you guys, do this, do that, do it like this, do it like this. But now you guys will actually be able to see somebody do it. I think they're right? I don't know. We'll find out. So, see if they critique me or not. I think that was cool for a little add-on to the camp this year, and they could get to see me and actually watch what it looks like to do it right. Overall, we had some great trainers this year. Jake Weimer, Brock Tickle, Tyler, my brother, Jimmy, Greg Albertson, and Shark Moto, and Jay Whipples.
Here, lay the bike over and make smaller movements.
I want you to try to get your elbows a little bit up.
What's up? Tyler Villopoto out here at RV Summer Camp. So yeah, we're working with fundamentals, obviously, seat time. Providing a ton of seat time for the kids, 3 days. Working on yesterday more so body, posture, technique, form, and today line choice, alternative lines, as well as figuring out do's and don'ts.
Lift your wheels right.
You got kids that are beginners, you got kids that are advanced, kids to adults. You know, we had vet riders. It was great to see a variety of riders for sure. Many new faces, as well as old. So it's just cool to be involved, cool to see the families come out and enjoy themselves. I look forward to it every year.
There you go.
Can't do it with all the people that are involved. All the crew from MotoSport.com, you know, huge help. Pac West, Matt from Pac West. You know, definitely a big group, big team effort. So thank you to all of them, and we'll do it again next year.